Today, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I will just make a check pattern. I'm back with another check pattern with another method. So before starting guys, if you have not yet subscribed, then smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you can't miss any updates. So you can see here I'm going into the file. I'm opening a new file of size. You can see here I have in pixels 1000 by 600 and the resolution I have here 72. You can have the color mode here RGB. You can name your document like I'm naming here check. Hit OK. Guys, see, I have this right here. If you press Ctrl 0, it will fit on the screen like this. Now from here, select the colors of your choice you want for your print. I'm just going to select the colors. I want to have this color. Hit OK. And on this background color, simply go over here and you can select this color of your taste. Hit OK. Guys, now see, you have this gradient and you have select this linear gradient and simply have this right here like this. Guys, now go into the filter and go with the distort option. You can see here you have wave option right here. I will make a check pattern. You can see the I just had taken it later, so I have these settings here. You can see number of generators I have taken 750 and the wavelength to 31 minimum and 32 maximum. Amplitude is 20 minimum and 21 maximum. In the scale I have taken 100 and 100. You can see here type I have taken sine. If I go with the triangle, it will look like this. If I go with the square, it will look like this. So I will just take the sine. And if I go with the undefined edges, if I wrap around, it will look like this. But I will go with the repeat edges. Hit OK. Guys, you can see I have this right here like this, my pattern. So I will just go over here and duplicate my layer. For duplicating the layer, you have short key Ctrl J. Like this. Guys, now by pressing Ctrl T, simply you can transform. I'm right clicking and I'm clicking on rotate. Simply increase this from here and from here too, and press enter button. Guys, from here you have two options. Either you can go with the overlay. If I click over here on the overlay, you will have this like this. And if I go with the multiply, you can have your pattern like this. So guys, this was all. You can have your fantastic patterns like this. You can see I have this red pattern, I have this blue pattern. So guys, this is all for today. If you have not yet subscribed, and smash the subscribe button. Guys, if you have not watched my previous videos on the check patterns, on floral patterns, on other seamless patterns, then you can go and watch those too. So guys, this is Artist Rabia. I will come back tomorrow with another video, inshallah. Okay, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.